my new house. Just kidding. This is my friend's house. But she gave me the freedom to do home tour on my own. So yeah, here we go. Let's go. The most curious member of the family, Buddy. Hi, Buddy. And here, along with the dining area, she has added mirror over here, so the dining area looks bigger. Nice. And here, storage is also there. At the entrance, here is Buddha, which is symbol of peace. This is crockery unit. She loves keeping lots of crockery, so she wanted the crockery unit should be huge, and it looks amazing. This is kids' bedroom. The color combination is very nice. These glossy laminates add amazing touch to the room. In the entire house, there is no wallpaper. These all are textured paint, and it looks very nice. With these rafters, this glass effect is amazing. It looks so luxurious. And here is the dresser area. This is study table. And here also storage space is there. Here they have used whiteboard over here so that kids can doodle over here and make paintings, or they can write whatever they want to study, to learn and all. This is the master bedroom. Here also you can see this textured paint looks amazing, and it's in combination with the entire room color. Like the wardrobes and everything goes with the color. The bed, the wardrobe, the TV unit. And here is the cozy corner. Anyone can sit over here, just chill and relax or read books. Nice. This one is guest room. And here also this texture paint is very nice. It's giving amazing effect over here. And the color combination on the wardrobes is also very nice. These laminates looks very nice. This is the study table. This bedside mirror design looked unique and amazing. Nice. ये पूजा घर. जैसे कि हम हिंदू लोग काफ़ी सारे भगवान की एक साथ पूजा करते हैं, तो उसने काफ़ी बड़ा मंदिर डिज़ाइन किया और शी वांटेड कि वो यहाँ पे बैठ के आराम से पूजा कर सके, इसीलिए उसने इसको नीचे रखा है. This is the kitchen. यहाँ पे it's a bigger size fridge. Family is also big, so it requires. And this is rolling shutter, so that all the mixers, grinders and all the things can be kept inside and it won't be cluttered over the countertop. And these are wicker baskets over here for aloo pyaj and all you can keep over here. And this is the dishwasher, so she don't have to depend on the maid. She can do on her own. And this is the pantry unit. So all the things can be kept inside, and there is so much storage inside over here. Nice. So because of the rolling shutter and tall unit, the countertop is clutter free and everything can be kept inside. Whenever required, they can use it over here, and otherwise it will be inside, so it looks spacious also. Here also tall unit is there so that toys can be kept inside. It will not clutter over here, and it's visible also. So this glass effect is amazing over here. And here is the living area with the cozy recliner. Wow! You can just watch the movie from here. This one is well thought, well planned, luxurious house. If you got inspired, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home tours and decor ideas. See you in the next video. Bye bye.